What's up, team? First, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress hair unboxing. I picked this hair up on AliExpress. I actually paid with this. I paid for this hair, so this video is not sponsored. So I picked this up, and the package just came in. So I want to come and show you guys how this hair is looking like. I get the post by DHL. You guys know it's so fast. This hair came in so fast that I was surprised because I paid for the hair. Couple of days, 2-3 days later, the hair is in. I'm like, what? Like what? And I'm really excited. So I want to come and show you guys. So this is the company that I picked the hair from AliExpress. This is the company, and the customer service were really nice. They were tracking for me the hair, when the hair is going to be at my place, where the hair is, everything. And they also send me a bunch of instructions how to wash the hair, how to manage the hair, and all of that, which I find very helpful. So this is the hair. This is what the plastic where the hair came in, and they also send me a bunch of goodies. Okay, let's open it. I got this Kiss hair brush, you know, hair. It's a Kiss, K-I-S-S, Kiss. I got this Kiss. I got this Christmas thing, which is a bit broken for the Christmas. It's so unfortunate that they only send me one because I have two girls. So I don't know who I'm going to give this one, or maybe I'm not going to give anyone because. And they also send me an elastic band in case I want to. This is exactly a good measurement in case I want to. And they also send me a eyelash, you know, very nice eyelashes. So this is a human hair. This is 26 inches. This is the longest hair that I've ever bought. It's 26 inches, and it's black. You know, it's black. You guys know I've relaxed my hair, so I don't want to be manipulating my hair all the time. This is natural color. It's 26. Yo, this is so beautiful. This is really nice. Trying to get this. This is really beautiful. This is so nice. This is natural color, 26 inches. And let me take off. Oh, okay, everything just came out. And this is I think 13 by 4 or something, or 13 by 6. I don't know the inner. I can't remember, but I'll put it on the screen if I am done, because everything is on my AliExpress account. But this is what the hair is looking at. You have a lot of space, and I purchased this hair for 145 euros for this hair. Actually, it's beautiful. Let's try and put it on and see how it looks. Wow. Okay, looks pretty good. And I love that the lace is also brown. It's not that, oh yeah, the lace kind of really matches my skin tone, which I like. So this is how, let's just go backward. This is, can I stand up? Yo, this is how long the hair is. This is pretty. Yo, this is the longest hair that I've ever had. This is so long, but it's so beautiful. It's very big. And the density is 180. I got it from 180. The density is 180. I kind of love it. You know, you just play with your finger. And also they advise you not to comb it when it's wet. If it's wet, you just have to go like finger comb it. Don't go in a lot with brush. It's pretty thick, you know, pretty thick, which I really like. 180 density, so it's good. I really love the fact that the lace kind of matches my skin tone. Very nice. I'm gonna try to cut this. I don't really have to do a lot because the lace really matches my skin tone, so that means I don't have to do a lot. But I really like it. I love how smooth it is, and I love the fact that it's so long. This is so cool. So yeah, I just want to come and show you guys, but for now I'm just going to try to cut the lace, get it nice. It's very long all the way back to the ears. I'm going to like cut some excess and cut it till there. Take this one off because I really do not need this. Take this one off. I feel like it needs to be like this. Lay down very smooth. Very good. I love the lace. It's pretty nice. I love the fact that you have like enough space here in case you want to pat the wig, or even if you don't want to pat, if you just want to leave it like this, you have enough space. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. It's cool. And you also have some comb. You have 3 combs inside. You have turn it around. You have one at the back. You have one here and one here. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. You got some baby hair. Also, you have some little baby hair. I love this hair. It's not like super black. It's just a natural color. It's very long. It's very thick hair and very skinny on the bottom, but okay, it's okay. It's cool. I really like it. So I just want to come and do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys how this wig is looking like, because right now I'm trying to do a lot of protective hairstyles since I've relaxed my hair. It's almost been 4 months now, 4 months relaxed post. So I haven't relaxed my hair. It's been 4 months now, and I really want to drag this hair till there's still January. So I really want to relax my hair till the 1st of January, even though this is an old crochet, old contour. I had this contour on the 29th of November, and today is the 18th of 29th of October. Yeah, I think 29th of October, and today is the 19th November. So I want to leave this on till the 1st of January after the new year, and then I want to relax my hair. So at least by that way I have a lot of new growth. So I want to stretch the relax process. So I'm just gonna do like a crochet braid on top of this hair, so I can leave it like this till the new year, the holidays and everything. But yeah, I don't know, maybe. But if I'm tempted, I may just fix this hair. But right now, I just really want to take my time. I want to take my time by cutting the lace. Make sure I cut everything really nice so that I don't mess it up. But so far, so good. I just want to come and give you guys a quick unboxing. This is what the hair is looking like. It looks so pretty nice, and it matches my skin tone. My skin tone so perfect. It's a little bit dark, but if I have foundation and everything, definitely my skin is going to be a little bit darker because my neck is darker. So whenever I do makeup, I always make sure my foundation kind of matches my neck. And you guys can see it's three colors. He is lighter, he is darker, and lighter and darker. So yeah. But yeah, this is just a quick unboxing. I just want to come and show you guys. I hope you all like this kind of videos. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doei. Vergeet niet te abonneren. So cool. This is really, really cool. So long and beautiful. Can't wait to play with this. Can't wait to rock this hair.